Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to choose the asterisk perfect chart for your data in Power BI. Whether you're brand new to Power BI or just looking for a faster, smarter way to create the right visual, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a foolproof method to get the most out of your data, even if you're using the free version. No more confusion about which chart to pick or how to get started. Let's jump right in. So you might already know that Power BI used to recommend charts for us automatically with a handy suggested visual type button. That made things easy, almost too easy, because it would pretty much do the thinking for you. But if you're using the 2025 version or anything more recent, you'll notice that this feature is gone, yep, even on Power BI Desktop. It might make you pause and think, wait, how do I know which visual is best for my data now? Don't worry, I've got a workaround that gets you almost the same result, with just a few extra clicks. First, open up Power BI, whether you're on the browser or Power BI Desktop, and head over to the Create section. Now this is super important if you're a free user because you'll want to select Paste or manually enter data. This feature lets you quickly put in your data even if you don't have a fancy dataset ready to upload. Just click on it and you'll get a grid where you can start entering your information. Think of it like a super basic spreadsheet. Take your time here and make sure your data is accurate. For example, if you're trying to compare sales figures across several months, enter each month and the corresponding sales. Don't worry if you're not sure about the format. Power BI is pretty forgiving, and if you make a mistake, you can always correct it before moving on. Once you've entered your data, look for the Auto Create Report option and give that a click. Here, where the magic happens, Power BI will automatically generate a report for you based on the information you just put in. It's kind of like having an assistant who instantly picks a strong starting point for your visualization. This saves a ton of time and helps if you're not sure what the best chart type might be for your data. But maybe the default chart isn't quite what you're looking for. No problem, just hover your mouse over the top of the chart. You'll notice a button called Personalize this visual. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a full range of chart types you can choose from, like bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and more. It's a little bit like browsing through outfits until you find the one that fits your data just right. Browse the options and select the chart type that makes your insight pop. For instance, use a column or bar chart to compare quantities, or maybe a line chart to show trends over time. If you're ever unsure, just remember, pick the chart that tells your story most clearly. And that's it, you've got a custom chart tailored exactly how you want it. So if that old suggested visual feature disappearing felt confusing, now you know exactly how to find the perfect chart for your Power BI report step by step. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any Power BI questions or if there's another feature you want to see explained. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.